Yeah, we're going to start out on the short-term view, Diane, and good morning. But I'll tell you what, relentless comeback. I love those descriptions of this because it really truly has been a strong uptrend. Now we get down into the minutia. We're looking here at the 5-day, 5-minute chart, and you can kind of see that downward trend here, which you got to put it into context. It's kind of finding a bit of support down around this 178 mark. This shorter term chart really just suggests that maybe there is a little bit of wait and see ahead of the earnings announcement. You can see the ADX line that I've got down there in the bottom that's kind of rolling back. That's a pressure gauge, and that really tells us kind of the strength of the trend. When it's below the 25 line that's drawn in there, that just suggests that there's really not a lot of investor pressure pushing price higher. You could look at this and say, well, maybe they've been chipping away at this high that the market has been pushing Nvidia to, but the majority of the volume is coming in right around that 182 to 184 level, which I think really is the kind of key level that needs to be broken coming out of the earnings announcement to really push this to some of these elevated highs that the analysts are reaching for in this case, Stein. And we'll put this into context in the longer term chart. But this is, I think, really simply just kind of a wait and see mode ahead of what would be new information in the system, Diane. Oh, absolutely. And I think, you look at the trend that this has made coming off of those April lows, like so many other stocks. But this, I think, has been kind of the prototypical chip and dip, chip and rip, because that suggests kind of this bull flag perspective. I love it. You guys are as good at this as I am in terms of putting these puns together. But look at the resistance that we've run into here at the 184 mark. The stock has gone sideways. And so when that moves sideways, that suggests that investors aren't getting that price appreciation. And they start to, like I said, chip away at those highs. But once you start to build that pressure, and you can see kind of the RSI down in that lower panel, again, that sentiment gauge falling off a little bit, but it's getting squeezed. And when you squeeze an avocado, you get that squish out, and I think that's what we're looking for here. Gosh, I'm reaching for this one, Diane, but
it's okay, man.
If we can get some upward pressure, yeah. If we can get some upward pressure breaking out of 184.
Okay.
No, I was just going to say 184 becomes the resistance.
Okay, so 184 is the resistance to watch out for on this chart. And I would say we are good students. We're learning from you, Ben. We appreciate it. That's Ben Watson, Senior Manager of Trading Services, Charles Schwab. Have a great rest of your day, Ben.